In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know Google Drive password, how to change Google Drive password. Before we start, a quick clarification. For security reasons, Google never shows you your current password for Drive or any other Google service. Google Drive uses your Google account password, so the safe and proper way to handle this is to change your Google account password, which updates Drive automatically. Open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in if you aren't already. Using Gmail is an easy entry point because it keeps you within the Google ecosystem. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. If you haven't added a photo, you'll see your initial inside a circle. That's the same button. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to the central hub for your Google settings. Here you can control privacy, security, and personal info. For changing your password, you'll be working in the security area. Look for the option labeled Password. It may simply say Password or My Password, and it sits within the security section. Click Password. Google will first confirm it's really you, which protects your account from unauthorized changes. Enter your current password to verify. If you don't remember it, use the on-screen recovery options so you can securely regain access. Once you've confirmed your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Type it in carefully, then type it again to confirm. Choose a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for at least 12 characters and mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal details or common words that are easy to guess. If you have trouble remembering complex passwords, consider using a reputable password manager to store them securely. After you save the new password, your Google account password is updated immediately. That means your sign-in password for Google Drive changes at the same time, along with other Google services like Gmail and YouTube. You may be asked to sign in again on some devices or apps. That's normal and helps keep everything secure. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you share a device with others, sign out when you're done. And for an extra layer of protection, consider turning on two-step verification in your Google account security settings. It makes a big difference in keeping your files safe. That's it. You opened Gmail, went to your profile, managed your Google account, verified your identity, and set a new password that also applies to Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to secure your credentials right away.